Today we're working on the avocado, grapes, and Jeep. So for the avocado, I have some things already picked out here. So we're going to unscrew the top and see the brown and green, orange. Let's go with green, orange. Little avocado, and these are silicone. Cute. A little sparkly spacer on top. Screw the top on. Here like so. Get a little top there and straighten it up. There you are. So a little avocado. We'll move on to our grapes. We're going to use our purple here. We're going to twist off the top. Let's go with purple. Our dark printed bead there. Pretty little plain, our little silicone. Put a little spacer on top. I think it'll go better on top. There we are. Just make sure it's tight. They're great. Move on to our Jeep here. Cheap silicone. Let's get blue. Let's go light. Let's do it a little differently. And let's put a bigger spacer in there. Put that on top. Down in there real good. There we are. There's our Jeep. All right. Okay, so here we are. The Jeep, the grape, avocado. We also have cherry. It's the penguins, concha. And these are all available online.